different desserts from around the world, and today's destination is New Zealand. I'll be trying a recipe for Afghan biscuits. So let's get started. To start our cookies, you're going to need 1 cup of soft butter, and if you forget to take out your butter to get too soft, you always put in the microwave for a few seconds. And this is half a cup of sugar. And you want to blend this until it's fluffy. So once your sugar and butter is nice and fluffy, you're gonna get a stiffer. This is 1 cup and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And you just want to sift it into your butter and sugar. And once you've done that, give it a little mix. So once your flour and cocoa powder is well combined with your butter and sugar, you're going to add 2 cups of cornflakes. And don't get the frosted cornflakes, just get the regular non-sugar cornflakes. And you want to gently mix this. So once your batter is well combined with the cornflakes, it should be looking like this. It's time to scoop our cookies out. And I just have a cookie sheet with parchment paper on the bottom. Okay, once you scoop out all your cookies, over here you want to push down a little bit. You can use a spoon or your hand. So once you're done with your scooping your cookies out, you want to preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take 10 to 15 minutes. Always depends on your oven. So my cookies slash biscuits, depends what you call them. They just came out of the oven. It took me 15 minutes. I'm just looking for the outer color so I know when they're done. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till these cool off, then I'm gonna transfer it to a cooling rack, and we're gonna make the frosting that goes on top. So my cookies have cooled down. Now I'm gonna make the frosting that goes on top. You're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of soft butter, and 2 tablespoons of water. Now you're just gonna whisk this together. So now it's well blended. If it's too thick for you, you can always add an extra tablespoon of water. Now let's add these to the cookies. So now you just grab any cookie, and you want to grab some frosting and place it on top, spread it out. And I just got regular walnuts here, and you just want to place one right on top. And there, your biscuits are ready. Time for a taste test. This cookie was very delicious in an interesting way. It's kind of weird, it has cornflakes in it and it gives the cookie a good crunch to it. I would probably give this cookie like 7 out of 10. It was very easy to make, and I encourage you guys to try it. And if you do, let me know, comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.